In front of me is a Vodafone Smart 4 Max, and today I will show you how to boot the device into safe mode. So we'll start off by holding the power key right here. And then once you see the power off option, instead of tapping on it, we're gonna hold it. And we will get this message, reboot to safe mode. So just confirm it by tapping on OK and wait for the device to reboot. And as you can see, on the device is back on, you have a little message right here saying safe mode, and meaning that the device is actually now in safe mode and only the apps that are pre-installed will work and everything else will be disabled. So if you want to also leave this mode, you can hold the power key and just select reboot or restart as it's here. Tap on it, and once it's back on, it will be out of the safe mode. And as you can see, now the message is gone. So that is basically how you access the safe mode and also leave it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.